'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, and the host said St. Nicholas soon will be there. He's bringing lots of toys for girls and boys. And wait until you see that Merry Christmas tree. When, what to my wondering, I should appear but a miniature sleigh and a tiny reindeer, with a little old driver so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it must be St. Nick. Now, Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, on Comet, on Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen, to the top of the porch, to the top of the wall, he's coming to wish Merry Christmas to all.
Thank you very much. We are looking for trouble. We've been together for just a little while, so thought we might want to do some introductions tonight.
Sure.
I'm David.
Hi, Bob.
Oh, hi, Bob.
Great, yeah. Oh, wait.
It's our choreography. It's okay.
Jingle, 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 jingle all the way. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride. Soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame. Misfortune seemed his lot. We got into a drifted bank, and we got upside. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingling, jingling, jingle, jingling, 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 jingle, jingling,
Jingle, 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 you can hear those sleigh bells ring.
jingle, jingling,
Just jingle, like a jingle, jingling.
jingle, jingling,
Jingle, jingle, reindeer, through the sea they go.
jingle, jingling.
You're not just reindeer, they're the fastest deer I know.
Oh, Christmas, oh, Christmas, will pass you by, flying through the sky.
Jingle, 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 you can hear those sleigh bells ring.
Jingle, jingling,
Just jingle, like a jingle.
jingling, jingling. There's always tomorrow for silver and gold. How do we measure their worth? Just by the pleasures they give here on earth. Silver and silver and silver and silver and mean so much more when I see silver and gold decorations on every Christmas tree. You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. Whose do you recall? The most famous reindeer of all. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as he shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
So the reason we sang that was because we learned it, but the real reason we sang that, this is the 60th anniversary, the very first airing of that animated show. Somebody told me that today, so I thought it was a pretty cool deal. And so that's why Rudolph is being featured. Now we're going to slow it down a bit, right? Oh, good, thank you. I got a little more traditional, right? A little more traditional.
So if you haven't changed your Norelco razor blades.
Oh, you brought your Norelco, right? Okay.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your heavenly song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. I heard the bells on Christmas Day, their old familiar carols play, and wild and sweet the words repeat of peace on earth, goodwill to men. And in despair I bowed my head. There is no peace on earth, I said, for hate is strong and mocks shall fail, the right prevail. With peace on earth, goodwill to men.
If you all really enjoy singing, there's a concert tomorrow. It's called Senior Access, and it's a fundraising program. Several of us are going to be there. The next song we are going to do tonight is What a Wonderful World. We have developed an arrangement that we're going to be joining with a couple of different choruses, a local high school chorus and another church choir, to perform a medley tomorrow. So I'd invite y'all to go to that concert. It should be a really good concert there too. What a wonderful world.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world, wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world, wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world, wonderful, wonderful world.
Okay, so as the program indicates, we all go to church together, the Georgetown Church of Christ. And probably like many of you, our real love for music began when we were about that big and we would go to church and we'd sing all the church songs. And so we're going to shift gears again. We're going to sing a couple of favorite Southern gospel songs that you may have heard somewhere, maybe on the radio sometime past. The first one is going to be by the Gaithers, and it is called Gentle Shepherd.
Gentle shepherd, come and lead us, for we need you to help us find our way. Gentle shepherd, come and feed us, for we need your strength from day to day. There's no other we can turn to who can help us face another day. Gentle shepherd, come and lead us,
Great is thy faithfulness. We celebrate a season of Christ coming to the earth. But God has been faithful forever to us.
Amen.
And this will reminds us of that. Great is thy faithfulness.
Great is thy faithfulness, O God my Father. There is no shadow of turning with thee. Thou changest not, thy compassions, they fail not. As thou hast been, thou forever wilt be. Great is thy faithfulness, great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, new mercies I see. All I have needed, thy hand hath provided. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Pardon for sin and of peace that endureth, thine own dear